Hello YouTube and hello Twitch. Welcome to this new WebDev session on my project, my web application, StoreMyDocs. Okay, the audio is working well, so let's start. So currently I'm working on this user story automatic categorization. And I recently finished the task for the support for PDF. So I've done this on my side, and let's have a look at the story. Yeah, I had some issue about using this library. From what I saw in some forum post or something like this on GitHub issues, yeah, it was on some GitHub issues. It may have been related to a version of Angular to the version 16, and maybe it was fixed in the version 17, so I made the update to the version 17. But finally, yeah, I also updated everything that I could. Finally, it was not related to... Well, the problem was still there with the version 17, so yeah, this is not lost. Updating all the dependencies is a good thing. And I finally managed to fix it by downgrading the version of this library to the major version 3. Because I could not find a way to fix this. So if you have a look at this comment here from yesterday, someone is asking how to fix this with a project created with Angular CLI, which is my case. So yeah, I'm waiting for the answer for now. But this was my problem. And this issue is closed because they managed to fix this for projects using Vite. I don't know how you pronounce this, but I guess it's a French word initially. So yeah, Vite. Then so yeah, so I managed to fix to support the PDF by using this PDF.js library. By using something like this, I'm doing a get document from the array buffer. Then I'm getting the first page, then the text content. And from the text content, I'm joining every items into a single string. And this is enough for the test I was working for. So my test was about fetching a dummy PDF file and to make this rule work. So file content starts with dummy. And that's it. So now I do have more things to do in order to support all kind of PDF, but that will be for later because I'm aiming at doing the minimum viable. It's not really this, but my goal is to have something, a base, well, yeah, a base where I know I will be able to support other kind of PDF. So that's okay. I don't want to do something more about this task, so I'm going for the next task, which is about supporting rule modification. Because currently you can create a new rule, but you cannot update it. This button was added a few minutes ago. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I created this new boolean, show update. I already have a show create. See, I don't know. Sure, I want to. I want to proceed. So yeah, what I will do. There is something interesting. If I do create new rule, let's say I do test, then I cancel and I create again, it keeps the name. That's interesting. Which means that when I do a create, where is it? Yes, I'm only doing this. Show create equals true. What I want to do is that when I click on update, it will do kind of the same as when I click on create new rule. What I want it to do is to fill everything and change it to update. But there is also another solution, which I'm not sure about this. The other solution I have in mind would be that when I click on update, it would allow me to directly update what I see here. Or maybe, I don't know. Something like changing this to editable. And the primary reason why I don't like this approach is that I don't want to have two ways of creating or updating rule. I want both the creation and the update to use the same form for the simplicity and to avoid forgetting. I mean, if I modify the creation, normally I also have to modify the update. So that way I have only one place to support. Yeah. Okay, so I will do the simplest solution I have in mind first, and then later on I may change that. So my solution will be to do something like this. Sure. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to mention that I already have a test ready for my task, and the goal of this test is to start with this rule, and then I want to manage to edit the name of the rule. So what I expect is to be able to click on edit button for the first rule, and then I expect to be able to click on update, and there are some things that I'm missing, but yeah, for example, this I don't want. I guess I will have an update method in the rule service. I will see that. I don't know yet what it will return, so okay. If I click on update, yeah, here you now see that it's updating the form above. Okay, there are some things that I'm not including in my test. For example, the clicking on cancel. I don't think I have a test for this. Yeah, but even if I'm doing it in a test, I will still implement it because that's more. It's more about quality of life features. So it's not really. No, not this one. It's not really important if it's not tested. So when I click on cancel, yeah, it's this one. Normally, I prefer to have a function, so maybe that's what I will do. Cancel, create, or update. Yeah. Oh no, if I do update and cancel, it's okay. There's a weird thing, which is I can do. Yes, there is two weird things, because when I click on update, I have both show create and show update to true, which is weird. So Mm. There is an ID. Okay, I know. I know what I want to do. Yeah. Okay. Rule to create or update. Let's have something which can be undefined. Oh, so I don't remember. Yeah, maybe I can do this. Yeah. And then I remove this. I don't want this here, but I want to keep it for later. What I want to do, well, refresh. I'm doing a refresh. Oh no. Oh, I have to change this. Yeah. See, I don't know. I will do the simplest thing I have in mind for now. Okay, I have some annoying notification from my phone. I just want to fix this. I want to go into my Garmin application, which is for my well, something. And what I want to do is to filter out some application. Where is it? I prefer to do this now because it will be annoying. It will keep annoying me. Notifications. Okay, and I don't want notification from this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's better. It seems okay for me. Yeah, and for this one, I want it. See for that one. But here, so I don't really want to create. Let's have a show create method. Okay, and that's it when I do show create, I initialize the role to something empty. Here I will do if this dot role to create our date. There is a nice trick that I can do to avoid something saying maybe it does not exist. I can do a ng-for, and I have to check the syntax for this one. Okay, I have to do okay, I'm not sure about the syntax actually, because generally I'm doing this for an array. Maybe there is something else that I can. Let rule equals. I'm trying something. I don't know. Okay, it will not work. So Angular ng if initialize variable. Maybe there is something. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't think it's working like this. But if I do this, apparently it's recognizing automatically that there is no issue of doing this. So yeah, this is okay. So now yeah, if there is a rule, yeah. Okay. Yeah, there is one thing missing, because if I do create new rule, okay, I can see I can see that I'm creating a new rule. Yeah, yeah, okay. What I need to do is to change this button to so if there is an ID, I'm doing update. If there is no ID, I will be doing create. And here you can see I'm now doing an update. Okay, that's good enough for me. In the future, I will probably implement that in nicer way, but that's good enough for now. I want to see if I have, yeah, if I have some things related to create. Here I will be doing a create or update. Create, add. What I have to see is, can I use add or update? Yeah. Changes. So my question is, if I do add with a role which already have an ID, maybe it will be able to interpret this as an update. So that's what I will test. Oh, okay, that's interesting because I'm using the same object. What I'm doing is reciprocated below. Let's say it's a feature. Oh yeah. No, what is the problem? Creating a new rule is still working. Ah yeah, I see. Key already exists in the object store. Yeah. So I do have to implement an update method. That's okay. Okay, so what I have to do is, if there is no ID, then it's a new rule and I can do the same as before. Otherwise, it's an existing rule and I have to do an update. So if I do this and if I run my test, so it's failing because of some errors. So I will first try to fix the error that I see. So is there a way to see where so it cannot find the edit button, and yeah, because the name is wrong. I want to say it's edit here. So where is it? Not here. It's here. Okay, so let's run again my test. Now it's about the update button. In this case, it's strange because if I click on edit, then I should be able to see this button update. So I'm doing the same as the click on create. Maybe I should have a look at the previous test. I want to see if they are still passing. Yes. So it's working for should create, but it's not working for my new test. We'll try to debug them. To debug this, I will try to add a breakpoint at the component. I want to see here. I want to see if I can go there. Oh, I know why. Yeah, okay, I got it. It's because the mock I'm doing does not have an ID. So it was my mock was wrong. Let's try again. Okay, that's better. Now we can see that we are not doing a refresh. And we are not doing an update, apparently. So the reason for this may be, yeah, it's because I have to provide the edited rule. Or maybe not. Okay, I know. Because I have to provide the new function, which is update service mock.update. Okay, and now it will be better. Yeah, that's better. So now what is missing is the refresh. I have to do the same as above. And this method, I have to change the signature because it will be the same. It will be the same as create. Be something like this, and I don't remember how to create an empty promise. Maybe this is no. Normally I can do an empty promise, but I don't remember how. Okay. Investigate because yeah, I already tried to fix this kind of crash, so I changed some things that may have been the solution to the crash, but apparently no. So yeah, I will investigate on the crash. And if I manage to find the fix, I will see. If I can find the fix soon enough, I will be back on Twitch and on YouTube. Otherwise, I will just postpone the rest of the stream to tomorrow. Yeah. So see you soon or see you tomorrow. Goodbye.